Brunswick. Fires that raged since last Tuesday are out, and the 150 people of the community of Watsky can now go home. CBC's Catherine Harris.
Great relief. Some people saying, thank God as they came out. Other people very concerned about what they're going to find when they get home. A little concerned, definitely concerned about the water. Some people talked about having environmental sensitivities, that it's going to be a struggle to get back in and make sure that their area is livable again. Now, they did tell us that water is being provided, so they're told they can't use their well water right now, but that there is some water that is being provided right now.
There are just 2,000 BC Hydro customers still without power after last night's wind and rainstorm along the south coast. 6 hours ago, there were 25,000 businesses and homes in the dark. Another windstorm is coming late this afternoon, packing winds of close to 90 kilometers an hour. Meantime, road crews have also been busy with flooding the lower mainland and heavy snowfall in the mountains. Avalanche control is taking place on many mountain passes after a heavy overnight snowfall. That means lengthy road closures, especially along Highway 1 and 3. The travel on the Coquihalla, especially near the summit, is not recommended this hour. WorkSafe BC says it will release its investigation report into the Burns Lake sawmill explosions next week. The province's criminal justice branch announced yesterday to be no charges over the incident and criticized the WorkSafe BC investigation, saying it left significant evidence inadmissible in court. WorkSafe BC spokesperson Jeff Dolan says investigators conducted one of, and if not the largest, scene examination in the history of the agency and the province. Soft Canadian dollar is a huge boost for BC's lumber industry and other commodity exporters. After a long time at par, dollar has sunk to just below 92 cents U.S. Lumber analyst David Elstone says it is good news for sellers.
That's a huge kick. I mean, when you think about the last couple of years, it's been close to parity, and now it's down 92. That's a nice little extra bonus to Canadian producers. Definitely have a direct impact on their income statement.
Yeah.
Elstone says lumber prices have more than doubled in 5 years.